we were called upon to review HR policy. So this is a review engagement, and is highly dependent on the experience of the practitioner. It's highly dependent on the experience of the practitioner. And in review engagement, we can have attestation engagement and direct reporting. If you remember when we started, I was like, we are going to get to an exception. And this is the exception I was talking about. In attestation engagement, auditor or practitioner is engaged or called upon to affirm, just as the word sounds, to affirm and put a reliability on a subject matter. But when it comes to direct reporting engagement, the auditor is under the agreement to expressly state his or her opinion. Should I come slowly? In direct reporting engagement, even though it's an assurance services, and if you remember, I said only in audit we must express our opinion in writing. But this is the exception to the rule when it comes to direct reporting engagement under review, under assurance services. We are to give our opinion in writing. Please don't forget. And that is the exception to that rule. Due diligence. Due diligence, when we are talking about due diligence, is another review work. And this does not require like audit testing and the like. It's an assurance services, but is an environment for highly skilled practitioner. And due diligence is usually used when there is a merger and acquisition, management buyout, and things like that. That is why we have due diligence being used. Due diligence work does not require test of control, like I said, but is an investigative review in which we need to go in detail and examine the assets and the liability of the intended party to be purchased. So the prospects will be thoroughly examined by the practitioner and feed the intended party that wants to buy with relevant information as regards their observation on the field. Like we will all agree, anybody that wants to sell will like to hide the liability. Therefore, it is wisdom on the part of the buyer to dig very deep into the matter before they buy. Sellers will always hide the liability, and buyers will always want to buy assets. So we must be able to match the two so that we will know what purchase consideration to put on the transaction. This is Gbenga Olatunji signing off from G. James Associates. We are value to life, we are value to your business. If you've not subscribed, please go and subscribe to us